Welcome back to another vlog, and we're leaving for Lonavala today. It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm riding with John today. John has a SWAT Team 250, which is a scrambler from the brand Husqvarna, and we've been planning a ride for a while now, and we finally made it happen. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Huh?
Come on, hold,
Yeah.
slow,
Yeah.
speed up.
Okay.
Okay. Then move this side or that side. You can do this like this normally.
Okay.
Then if there is a truck,
Police?
police.
Yeah. Police are the same.
No, truck is
Okay.
and police. This is not needed, but mainly this is it.
Yes.
And then if you want to call me near. And what? Yeah, and then passing is there. Passing or hold. I am just telling you just for that we are on the same page.
Yes.
And we don't mess up with language. That is it.
So I asked them police because both of us are not the interstate. Sorry, we're not locals of Maharashtra. We don't have MH plates on, which means if they do catch us, the police. If they can. Yeah, if the police do catch us, they can fine us for not paying road tax. We can tell we're travelers, but we don't have any sort of proof, do we? Oh, by the way, we've hit 7,036 kilometers and it's 6:44 a.m. We're leaving from Lonavala to Pune. Beautiful scenes. Okay, so John rides a SWAT Plan 250, right? It's like a semi-scrambler. I mean, you can call it a full-on scrambler. And therefore, these roads are just butter to him, man. Now I'm riding a sports bike. I can feel every single bump. Ow. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
The road is a teeny weeny bit slippery. The man has new tires, so his grip is perfect. Okay, the road is slippery for sure. I have a full tank of petrol, so I'm hoping this will last us for a long way. So this is John's bike staying there. Just this off-roadish, on-roadish road. That's very weird. It has, I swear to God, man. If any of you come to Lonavala, you know how weird this road is. Because this seems like a road, right? This is a road in between. This is a random stony path kind of shit road. That see, starts off out of nowhere. That's irritating. They're like, oh, nice road, let me speed. And you're like, bad road, bad decision, bad decision. So the reason today it's actually Tuesday and the college has given us a holiday. The reason they did that is because half the college is unwell, which is some weird virus. It's not COVID-19, but this weird virus that's just been spreading around. And tomorrow's Holi. Should we make a vlog about Holi? Within my phone? Okay, why not just make a vlog? See, that's just how John rides over speed breakers. Maybe it's just, control the speed and keep speed going, because if I have to calm with him, I have to go slow.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
These dogs irritating. Is John stuck? So every time dogs try and chase, I just give full throttle and like try and chase me, bitches. I'll see how you'll try to keep up with me. What do you think you are, Usain Bolt? He's asking us to hold. I think he wants to fill in petrol. Let's put indicate we are going in the petrol pump. Okay, there's a place to check air. Did he just want to use the washroom? Yes, he just wants to use the washroom. What happened, John? Wait, I'll go just fill the air then. Here.
You want to refuel?
No, I have full tank.
I have half. What can I do? I have half.
This I filled it like Sunday, full tank. I usually just fill it once when I come. Whenever I come, I fill full tank.
Yeah, so what should I do?
How much range is it showing for you?
200.
It's just 68 kilometers from here.
While, how much?
68.
So while coming back, over there I'll see.
We will fill in some air. Whoa, random hole. Please cover it up. The last bit. Bhaiya, please can you fill? भैया एयर चेक कर सकते हैं? Let's see where the bulb is. Oh fuck, the bulb. It's open. Where the fuck? My life. What about the पीछे वाला bulb? It's closed. That one is open. गूगल पे है भैया? कितना हुआ है? 20? 10. Let us pay the man. So always uncomfortable. Where is this code? I can't see. Okay, I see the code now. No, I can't show password over here. Man said 10, so we paid 10. Yep, we're done. Nature called him. Is he back from speaking? Thank you, Bhaiya. Nature called my man. Is he back from nature call? Does he? Oh yes, he is. He can leave. She looks so pretty, doesn't she? Anyway, shit, I almost gave a fuck. Okay, finally the 1 point is gone. That's because we... What is he doing? We will go check.
What is the time?
It is 7:30.
Decent already.
Yeah, 1 hour it took us to come down.
Not 1 hour.
Not even an hour. We started at like 6:45 around there.
5:50, yeah.
50 minutes. X-Pulse 200. Where are the roads? Highly got the roads. What is John seeing? Nothing else to see. Maybe he's just looking at the mountains. Bro, that mountain looks real sick, bro. NGL. Look at that mountain. Real sick. I want to go on top. How do we go? Okay, now we are back on grip. Bro, I know where we are. We are in Pavna Lake. Around that area. 1 year ago, I think I've come around this road. I think. That is the corner. John, why did you stop? Okay, Mike.